15 Best Things to Do for Couples in Columbus, Ohio. Welcome back to our channel. If you're planning a romantic getaway in Columbus, Ohio, you're in for a treat. Today, we're counting down the 15 best things to do for couples in this vibrant city. From picturesque parks to captivating cultural experiences, Columbus offers something for every couple seeking a memorable time together. Let's dive in. Number 1. Romantic stroll at Franklin Park Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. Start your romantic journey with a leisurely stroll through the enchanting Franklin Park Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. Lose yourselves in the mesmerizing beauty of the meticulously manicured gardens, where vibrant blooms create a captivating tapestry of colors. As you wander hand in hand, let the fragrance of exotic flowers ignite your senses, and the tranquil atmosphere embrace your hearts. Don't miss the stunning art installations that blend seamlessly with nature, creating a harmonious blend of creativity and natural beauty. This romantic setting provides the perfect backdrop for whispered conversations and stolen glances, making it an ideal spot for couples to create lasting memories. Number 2. Wine tasting at local wineries. Indulge in a romantic adventure as you embark on a wine tasting journey at the charming wineries surrounding Columbus. Immerse yourselves in the world of exquisite wines, where each sip tells a story of craftsmanship and passion. Let your taste buds dance with delight as you savor the rich flavors and aromas, and allow the intimate ambience to deepen your connection. The picturesque vineyards offer breathtaking views, where rows of grapevines stretch as far as the eye can see. As you raise your glasses, toast to love, and share quiet moments together, you'll create cherished memories amidst the idyllic vineyard landscapes. Number 3. Scenic drive along Hocking Hills Scenic Byway. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city with a romantic scenic drive along the Hocking Hills Scenic Byway. Prepare to be captivated by the breathtaking landscapes of Hocking Hills State Park. Wind your way through lush forests, rolling hills, and meandering streams as nature unveils its splendor before your eyes. Take the opportunity to explore hiking trails hand in hand, and be rewarded with awe-inspiring waterfalls and breathtaking overlooks. Let the tranquil sounds of nature serenade you as you discover hidden gems along the way. This scenic drive offers the perfect backdrop for heartfelt conversations, shared laughter, and the joy of discovering the wonders of nature together. Number 4. Romantic river cruise on the Ohio River. Elevate your romantic getaway with a picturesque river cruise along the Ohio River. Step aboard a luxurious boat and allow the gentle current to carry you away on a romantic journey. As you sail along, marvel at the stunning views of the cityscape as it glimmers under the golden rays of the sun. Find a cozy spot on the deck and embrace the serenity of the river as you bask in each other's company. Let the soft breezes caress your skin, and as the evening sets in, watch the city lights dance on the water's surface, creating a magical ambience that will leave you in awe. This romantic river cruise promises a truly unforgettable experience for couples in search of tranquility and enchantment. Number 5. Explore the charming German village. Immerse yourselves in the charm of Columbus German Village, a delightful neighborhood that exudes romance at every corner. Hand in hand, wander through the quaint cobblestone streets lined with picturesque homes, adorned with vibrant flowers. Explore the unique shops where you can find hidden treasures and mementos of your time together. When hunger strikes, indulge in the delightful flavors of local cuisine at intimate and romantic restaurants. Savor every bite as you savor every moment spent together. The German Village is a haven for couples seeking an idyllic setting, where history, culture, and a dash of European charm combine to create a truly romantic experience. Number 6. Couples Spa Day at Luxury Resorts. Take a break from the outside world and treat yourselves to a luxurious couples spa day at one of Ohio's premier resorts. Enter a world of tranquility and relaxation as skilled therapists pamper you with rejuvenating treatments. Let go of all stress and worries as you indulge in soothing massages, invigorating facials, and calming aromatherapy sessions. The serene ambience and impeccable service create an atmosphere of pure bliss, where you can escape together and focus on your well-being. Whether you choose to unwind in the sauna, take a dip in the pool, or simply enjoy each other's company in a peaceful oasis, a couple's spa day promises to rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. Number 7. Romantic Getaway to Yellow Springs. Embark on a romantic getaway to the enchanting town of Yellow Springs, where charm and natural beauty come together to create an idyllic setting for couples. Explore the vibrant streets lined with unique shops, art galleries, and cozy cafes. Discover hidden gems as you meander through the town's picturesque nature trails, where the soothing sounds of flowing water and the fragrance of wildflowers fill the air. Immerse yourselves in the peaceful atmosphere and let the beauty of your surroundings ignite your love and passion. Yellow Springs offers a peaceful escape from the everyday hustle, allowing you to focus on each other and create cherished memories that will last a lifetime. Number 8. Immerse in the history of rock at Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Experience the thrill of rock music history at the iconic Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Step into a world where legends were born and immerse yourselves in the stories of iconic artists. Explore the exhibits that showcase their remarkable journeys, their captivating music, and their lasting impact on the world. Admire the collections of instruments, costumes, and memorabilia that evoke nostalgia and a sense of awe. Let the rhythm of the music fill your hearts as you share in the excitement and energy of this vibrant museum. The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame promises an unforgettable experience for music-loving couples, where the spirit of rock and roll ignites passion and creates lasting memories. Number 9. Scenic Train Ride through Cuyahoga Valley National Park. Embark on a romantic train ride through the picturesque landscapes of Cuyahoga Valley National Park. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of nature unfolding before your eyes. As the vintage train chugs along, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of lush forests, cascading waterfalls, and charming towns. Take advantage of the scenic stops to explore the hidden trails hand in hand, or simply savor the peaceful ambience from the comfort of your seat. This scenic train ride offers couples a unique opportunity to connect with nature, revel in each other's presence, and create unforgettable memories surrounded by the tranquility of the national park. Number 10. Romantic Dinner at Top-Rated Restaurants. Treat your taste buds to a romantic dinner at one of Columbus' top-rated restaurants. Delight in an exquisite culinary journey as talented chefs craft delectable dishes that are as pleasing to the eyes as they are to the palate. The intimate settings, candlelit tables, and impeccable service set the stage for an unforgettable dining experience. From gourmet cuisine to international flavors, you'll find a diverse array of options that cater to every culinary desire. Let the flavors dance on your tongues as you engage in deep conversations, laughter, and shared moments of pure indulgence. A romantic dinner at one of Columbus' top-rated restaurants promises to be a feast for the senses and an experience that will leave you craving more. Number 11. Hot air ballooning for a bird's eye view. Soar high above the city with a breathtaking hot air balloon ride, offering you and your loved one a bird's eye view of Columbus. Ascend into the sky and feel the thrill as you glide gently with the wind, taking in panoramic vistas of the city's skyline and surrounding landscapes. Hold each other close as you share this exhilarating experience and let your hearts soar with the beauty of the world below. With the wind as your guide, create magical memories as you float effortlessly through the clouds, embraced by the boundless sky. A hot air balloon ride promises an adventure like no other, where romance and awe intertwine to create an unforgettable experience. Number 12. Explore the charming streets of German Village. Step back in time as you explore the history and charm of Columbus German Village. Wander hand in hand through the historic streets lined with charming homes, brick sidewalks, and picturesque gardens. Discover hidden gems at the unique shops, where you can find one-of-a-kind treasures to commemorate your time together. Pause at cozy cafes and bakeries, where you can savor delicious treats and enjoy moments of quiet conversation. The German Village encapsulates the essence of romance, offering couples a glimpse into the past while creating new memories in a setting that feels timeless. Number 13. Leisurely bike ride along Ohio and Erie Canal Towpath Trail. Embark on a leisurely bike ride along the picturesque Ohio and Erie Canal Towpath Trail, where nature's beauty unfolds before your eyes. Pedal side by side as you traverse the scenic path, surrounded by lush greenery, peaceful waterways, and charming wildlife. Take moments to pause and immerse yourselves in the serenity of your surroundings, feeling the gentle breeze against your skin and the warmth of the sun on your faces. This leisurely bike ride offers couples the opportunity to reconnect with nature, enjoy each other's company, and create memories of shared adventures amidst the tranquil beauty of the trail. Number 14. Sunset picnic at Lake Erie. Immerse yourselves in the romantic ambience of a sunset picnic at the picturesque shores of Lake Erie. Find a secluded spot on the sandy beach, spread out a blanket, and watch as the sun paints the sky with vibrant hues of orange, pink, and gold. As you toast to love with a glass of wine, savor a delectable picnic spread filled with your favorite treats. Engage in intimate conversations, listen to the soothing sound of waves gently crashing against the shore, and embrace the tranquility of the moment. A sunset picnic at Lake Erie offers couples the perfect opportunity to disconnect from the world and connect with each other in a setting that epitomizes romance. Number 15. Immerse in the arts at Ohio Theater. Conclude your romantic journey with a visit to the historic Ohio Theater, a cultural gem that showcases captivating performances and the grandeur of the arts. Enter a world of opulence as you step into the breathtaking theater adorned with ornate architecture and exquisite detailing. Allow yourselves to be swept away by the magic of live shows, from mesmerizing plays to enchanting musical performances. Lose yourselves in the beauty of the stage, where talented artists bring stories to life and emotions to the forefront. The Ohio Theater offers couples a chance to immerse themselves in the arts, where the power of creativity and the allure of the stage inspire love, passion, and a sense of wonder. And there you have it, the 15 best things to do for couples in Columbus, Ohio. From romantic strolls through botanical gardens to scenic drives, cultural experiences, and intimate moments, this vibrant city offers endless possibilities for couples seeking to create unforgettable memories together. So, plan your romantic getaway, immerse yourselves in the charm of Columbus, and let love guide your adventures. Remember to cherish every moment, hold each other close, and embrace the joy of discovering new experiences side by side. Until next time, happy travels! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. And as always, stay tuned for more inspiring destinations and thrilling adventures. Until then, keep exploring and keep the love alive. Safe travels!